This video is designed to show you how to use the test proctoring software that we'll use when we take our test. It is important to note that a trial run of the test software must be done before you're given the password to the first test. This video will show you how to work through those steps of the trial run to make sure everything's working so we're ready before test day. First, you'll notice on the left of your screen there's several options, and one of them says Tegrity Videos. Go ahead and click the link for Tegrity Videos. At this point, depending on your browser, firewall, and security settings, you might have to give permissions to allow certain things to occur, or maybe open a pop-up. Sometimes that shows up at the bottom, sometimes it shows up at the top. For me, it showed up in the middle here to click to open the session list. Sometimes you have to do a combination thereof. Once you've clicked the link to open up the Tegrity software, over on the top right side you'll see the word Test. Hover your mouse over Test, and then come down to Start New Test. When you click Start New Test, you'll get a pop-up that is blank. Go ahead and accept it. And then it will launch the recorders. At this point, you'll be able to see that your camera is working. Your sound is also working. There should be a bar bouncing up and down. When you see both are working, go ahead and click Next. Now it's time to take your photo. You'll want to hold up your ID. It can either be your Big Bend ID or your driver's license, and click the link for Take Photo. Smile. That'll take your photo and save it. You can either retake the photo if you don't like it, or just click Next. At this point, you're ready to start the recording. Click Start. And once you click Start, the recording will begin. At this point, what is happening is your computer screen is being recorded, and your webcam is recording what's happening. You'll see in the bottom right corner the Tegrity logo, and a little bar with, and if you talk, the bar will bounce up and down, showing that the sound is working. And a stop button. That stops the recording. We don't want to do that yet. To get to the actual test, you'll need to get back to your web browser, which you can get to by minimizing the Tegrity recorder. At this point, we can go back to our URL and go to wamap.org, log in, and take our test. For the trial run, rather than logging into WAMAP, you're going to read a paragraph that is listed in the instructions at the link below this video. Read that paragraph to make sure the sound is working, and then you'll be done with the trial run of the software. Once you're finished, we'll go to the bottom, next to the Tegrity logo, where there's a stop button, and click Stop. We'll say yes to end the recording. Once you end the recording, Tegrity will begin to upload in the background the video that you just made. During this time, it is important that your computer stays on, connected to the internet, and you do not log off or go into sleep mode. That way we're sure the video uploads correctly. A couple notes about the videos. First, if you are using a Macintosh computer, you will not see the logo in the bottom right. Instead, the Tegrity buttons show up in the bottom center of your screen. And there is no volume bar on the Macintosh. I want to show you now what I see when I get to watch your video. What I'll see when I watch your video is on the left side, I see your webcam screen. And on the right side, I see what was put on your computer screen. That way I can verify that it is you taking the test, and proctor the test remotely for an online class. You are now ready to go through and do the trial run of your software to make sure it is working for you.